let me share with you our plans for India, our campaign, our strategy, and why we are so very sure that we're going to win India over. Despite the fact that we come into a rather cluttered market, we're very clear that we have a product that we are launching that fills a very genuine need gap for this India market. Despite the huge focus on language content that you've seen in recent times, this is yet a hugely underserved market and one that has a massive appetite that's waiting to be satisfied. We believe that ZEE5 will be the go-to entertainment destination for all of India, the India that resides across both her urban and semi-urban demographies and has been waiting for that digital destination that will serve her great, relevant content in the language of her comfort. We see ZEE5 as also being the go-to destination for the new digital Indian, freshly inducted into the world of data with a smartphone in hand. For her or him, not only entertainment, but the entire user experience makes sense only in the language of their comfort. And mind you, no product has addressed that till now, till ZEE5. So with ZEE5, we see an opportunity to create a real connect with every Indian. And it is this connect that's going to be the central part of our ZEE5 story. Now, it's one thing to establish this connect with a single person, but imagine doing it with over 1 billion people speaking multiple languages from diverse cultures and socioeconomic backgrounds and varying literacy levels. How do you create a unified digital entertainment proposition for all of these people? A hugely challenging proposition, you will agree, unless, of course, you're Zee. Unless you have 25 years of fabulous understanding of these very same consumers about what they like and don't, what connects and doesn't. As you saw earlier in our product demo, our product approach has been one that's absolutely rooted in empathy, and hence our content language width, hence our focusing on navigation languages, hence voice search, hence offline download, hence adaptive streaming, hence a progressive web app, hence the ability to store downloaded content to your memory card, and so many, many more consumer-friendly touches. So really, we have all those qualities that is required for the perfect relationship. And on this Valentine's Day, we truly see India falling in love with ZEE5. And we know it's going to be an enduring romance for years to come. Over the next few months, we will also unveil our many alliances and partnerships that will help us distribute ZEE5 across the length and breadth of India. Do stay tuned for those. The deals are closed, and the announcement will happen soon. Also, in many ways, we believe that with this launch, we will take this category from its rather elitist niche place to a far more inclusive place, democratizing OTT in a very real way. ZEE5, the digital entertainment destination for real India, for all of India, city folk and small town folk alike, English speaking and not. And to this end, we have created a really celebratory campaign that has all the swag and confidence of young new India, exposed, aware, globally savvy, and yet comfortable enough to flaunt their identity, their roots, their language of comfort. You will see us go 360 across mediums, TV, radio, print, outdoor, and digital and social, but the loudest and most synchronized support will be across our own network, where you will see digital and broadcast come together seamlessly in a manner that will clearly signal our intent and future readiness as a group. We chose to do an anthem rather than go with a traditional ad, simply because we felt the anthems have the ability to unite, to build a strong connect through its lyrics and music. We wanted to create something that seeded itself in popular culture and stayed long beyond the duration of a typical ad campaign. True to our language claim, we've created 2 separate anthems, one that goes across all 4 South Indian languages, and we hope will be a huge hit down south, and a separate one for the North market. We've collaborated with the best in the business to create this anthem. Amitabh Bhattacharya wrote the fun lyrics, Amit Trivedi created the catchy, peppy music, and Nitesh Tiwari of recent Dangal fame brought this anthem to life. Young, modern, free-spirited, but innately proud of who we are is how we define the spirit of ZEE5, and it's exactly what this anthem personifies. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, ZEE5 and its spirited anthem.
Listen up. This is who we are. This is what we do. And this is how we talk, Raja.
আমি তোকে ভালোবাসি
এম ঝামা মাছ
काय झालं कसं झालं अरे कैसन हो बबुआ
मा स्टाइल भले गुंदिरा
कोई पानी नो कड़ा भाई कोण भारी चौंकू छो
सानू की फर्क पैदा
फाटाफाटी के आगे औसम है पानी कम गेट लॉस्ट में चल फुट जैसा नहीं है दम के हर एक भाषा में फंटास्टिक एक फील है सुपर मची की फीलिंग बढ़िया में कहा वो सब की मस्ती कैसे हो में कहा कि हर एक भाषा में फंटास्टिक एक फील है फाटाफाटी के आगे औसम है पानी कम गेट लॉस्ट में चल फुट जैसा नहीं है दम
अरे लोकल वाला ढंग हो जिसमें मदर टंग का रंग हो जिसमें फुल टशन में वैसी बोली बोले आजा That's how we talk राजा That's how we talk राजा ऐसे ही बोलेंगे हम That's how we talk राजा
That's how we talk राजा That's how we talk राजा ऐसे ही बोलेंगे हम That's how we talk राजा ओए तेरी में तड़का है जो आओ में कहा क्यों टक वाली गर्मी गो फॉरवर्ड में कहा कि हर एक भाषा में फंटास्टिक एक फील है फटाफटी के आगे औसम है पानी कम गेट लॉस्ट में चल फुट जैसा नहीं है दम
और कूल है झुलूल है बट यही तो बोली कूल है जरा भाव बढ़ा के कॉलर चढ़ा के बोले आजा That's how we talk राजा That's how we talk राजा ऐसे ही बोलेंगे हम That's how we talk राजा That's how we talk राजा That's how we talk राजा ऐसे ही बोलेंगे हम That's how we talk राजा
আমি তোকে ভালোবাসি
કેમ છે મજામાં છો કલકી કાટલ મચ્છી અરે કૈસન હો બબુઆ
मा स्टाइल भले गुंदिरा
યન સર ચનકિદરા काय झालं कसं झालं
सानू की फर्क पैदा
अब अपनी भाषा की फील अपने एंटरटेनमेंट में भी 12 लैंग्वेजेस में मूवीज टीवी ओरिजिनल्स प्लेज और बहुत कुछ नया Z5 क्योंकि अपनी भाषा में फील है
Why Z5? So why 5? So I think the reason, and it was not, probably didn't come out fully in the logo reveal AV that we showed, but basically it is because Z has conquered all the 5 regions of the world. We were missing just Latin America up until last year, and that we conquered last year. So we completed all Americas, Europe, Africa, Middle East, Asia Pacific, Australia, all the 5 regions of the world. That's why we wanted to celebrate that. At the same time, we, like Punit mentioned, we are bringing content from all these 5 continents into Z5. So you've got content coming from the Americas, from Middle East, from Europe, from Africa, from Asia, everywhere. So that's why we want to signify that there is, it's really a culmination of all of that. Therefore, it's Z5 is the brand that we chose. Content part, you want to?
Yeah, so I think you answered your own question. The why we chose these 12 languages is because of the critical mass of consumption that we see happening, and of course, followed by monetization. Will we be adding more languages? If and when languages become relevant and large enough in the country, we will definitely add them. There's no reason for us to stop at 12. As you know, when Z5 launches in the international markets, it will carry not just Indian languages, it will carry local languages of those countries as well as part of its business.
If you can put up your hands, we can pass the mics on.
Hello, sir. This is Ravi from ABP News.
Yeah, back there.
Yeah. सर मार्केट में पहले से ही काफ़ी ऐसे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म हैं, प्राइवेट चैनल्स के भी हैं, और नेटफ्लिक्स भी है, अमेज़ॉन भी है, तो आपको लगता है कि Z5 लॉन्च करने में थोड़ा सा डिले हुआ है या पहले लॉन्च होता तो ज़्यादा मार्केट आप लोग कैप्चर कर पाते? इस बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
मैं इसको I will just try and answer this. So we started, like I said, हम लोग ने OTT pioneer किया था 2012 में. I think we were too far ahead of the curve. The market has really started picking up since 2016, where bandwidth boom has really come into the country, both from availability perspective as well as cost perspective. So I think last 1.5 years has really seen a growth of digital video consumption. And this was the right time we thought that we need to put our strategy together to revamp, rethink what today's digital consumer needs. And that is why we decided 1 year back to build Z5. Now, whether it is late into the market, I don't think so. I think the market is just starting off. And sometimes, you know, with the learnings from already the existing players in the market and our own learnings from our 2 platforms that we've had so far, I think we've got, you know, a product today which is far superior, and, you know, the depth and breadth of content that we are offering is unparalleled by anybody else.
सर, आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
No, I think he's right. Plus, इतना कंटेंट बनाने में कुछ तो समय लगेगा ना भाई. मतलब इंसान है, मशीन तो है नहीं, और कोई फैक्ट्री नहीं चला रहे हम. So it takes time. स्वरा को मनाना पड़ता है, बादशाह को मनाना पड़ता है, सबको मनाना पड़ता है कि भैया प्लीज़ आइए, ये छोटा फॉर्मेट है, बट इस पे भी आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ेगी. So it takes time to build this kind of content, and we wanted to come with a true differentiator, and therefore you've seen what the effort we put behind it.
सर, एक सवाल और कि जी टीवी पर काफ़ी कंटेंट है जो टेलीविज़न पे रोज़ाना दर्शक देखते हैं, तो क्या वो सारा का सारा कंटेंट Z5 पे अवेलेबल होगा कि उसमें से सेलेक्टेड कुछ शोज़ होंगे, कुछ सेलेक्टेड प्रोग्राम्स होंगे जो आएंगे, या सारा का सारा वो भी अवेलेबल होगा?
नहीं, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि सारा का सारा कंटेंट, नॉट जस्ट जी टीवी, जितना पूरे जी एंटरटेनमेंट के सभी चैनल्स पे चलता है, विल बी अवेलेबल moments after it is aired on television, will be available on Z5, including the best of Z shows from the past which are not on air today, will also be available.
Thank you, sir.
Hi sir, my name is Jigar, I'm from Mumbai Live. I have 2 questions. The first one will be, what is the strategy behind health and lifestyle section? Because that's one of a kind, probably very few people have it. So the content strategy behind the health and lifestyle section. And the second will be the pricing strategy. There is a free and a premium model, but the thought behind having a 99 or a 150 rupee price model as well.
On the health piece, I can take that. We felt the need that today, when I look at any household, apart from education, the second thing we struggle with is the health and wellness of our family. And we felt that there's not enough content being created for that being put out. So that is what the differentiator, again, we have thought as a strategy to go out and attract the young couples, young people out there who can use natural wellness for well-being and not necessarily have to run to doctors all the time. So that was the thought process behind it.
Yeah, on the pricing, I think, you know, it's 99 rupees is something we feel, 150 is the actual pricing. We've done an introductory offer at 99. We feel that it's the right price for the kind of offering that we've put out there. Of course, market forces determine pricing at the end of the day. There's enough competition out there. So we will obviously keep evaluating our pricing based on how we get traction and move forward.
Madhuvanti here from Exchange for Media. I have 2 questions. The first is, with so much of, you know, aim target towards mass, is there a, you know, possibility of, you know, you're shifting towards mass, mass, like the entire people moving towards Z5, you know, moving away from your channels? I mean, it's a good thing or a bad thing?
So, I mean, you can, so for me, I think, you know, basically, two things here, of course, that one, linear broadcasting continues to grow in this country because we've not reached that 100% penetration in linear broadcast itself. There are enough TV homes or homes without TVs and TV homes without cable or satellite. Secondly, I think, majority of homes in India, especially in the mass segment which you're talking about, if you're talking about tier 2, tier 3 cities and smaller towns, most of them are single TV homes. So at the end of the day, it's one person controlling the remote and they're watching what they're watching. There are 5 other members in the household trying to watch or want to watch something else. And now they have access to a smartphone with a 4G connection, so they're going to watch.
And the last question.
If I can just add to what Amit said. So firstly, I don't believe that television viewership will get interrupted at all. This will be an entirely new audience set that will emerge. Having said that, let's assume what you are predicting or asking me comes true. That en masse 190 million homes shift to OTT. Very good. I will make 19,000 crore revenue that day.
And with so much of accusation from 5 regions, an idea into the investment that has gone into the content.
Sorry,
Not the
can you repeat
numbers.
that? Sorry, say it again.
An idea into the investment that has gone in the content. Acquisition and,
Acquisition.
Why do you ask questions I will not answer?
That's why I said idea, not figures.
We are spending as much as it needs for us to make it a success. And also keep in mind, we are building the future of the company. So we will fund as much as required for this business going forward.
Hello. Amit ji, I am Pradeep Sharma here. सबसे पहले तो आपको बधाई, इतना अच्छा आपने OTT दिया है with huge content. इसका थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल पार्ट भी बताएं कि इंटरनेट जो नॉर्मल है 4G उस पर चलेगा और कंटेंट में जो न्यूज़ चैनल हैं जी के और क्या दूसरे न्यूज़ चैनल भी देखे जा सकेंगे?
जी, सो कंटेंट में हम लोग जी के तो सारे न्यूज़ चैनल्स रहेंगे. वी हैव आल्सो लॉट मेनी मोर news channels coming from other media houses, including, of course, our national broadcaster, Doordarshan. I don't want to go into specifics कौन से channels होंगे. दूसरा सवाल आपने technical पूछा तो 4G पे तो of course चलेगा ही बिल्कुल. I think हमारा endeavor यही है कि भी हमारा back-end system जो है, जो consumer facing, जो consumer को नहीं दिखता है, we are the only OTT platform which is using adaptive bitrate technology, where on the fly you can switch CDNs based on the quality or the location you are in. So you will switch from one CDN, one content delivery network like Akamai or Tata or whichever else out there. You will switch from one CDN network to another based on the area you are in, the connection you have, to make sure that your experience is seamless. Apart from that, हमारा content is available in 6 different bit rates itself. तो अगर आप lower bandwidth connection पे हैं, small screen पे देखना चाहते हैं, तो आपको 250 kbps speed पे भी आपको content दिख सकता है.
Thank you very much.
This is for Mr. Puneet Goenka. Congratulations. This is Kalpana Ravi from AdGully.
Thank you.
You just said that you'd be very happy that everybody shifts to the OTT platform. Aren't you worried about your ratings going down on BARC with people shifting to the OTT platform? Or people having to, you have an option of watching a show on a second screen. So
it doesn't really matter, ma'am, because the moment people shift to OTT, I have my own data, which is available in terms of the consumption that consumer is doing. And that easily is acceptable in today's terminology by advertisers for advertising in the digital world. So it doesn't really change the perspective. Of course, it's a hypothetical situation that we talked about, that the entire country will move to OTT from television. But OTT or digital world gives you far more targeting possibilities for advertisers, which are much better for them, and therefore will benefit the advertiser as well as us.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Should we wrap it? So then we're going to wrap the evening. I'm going to hand back to Amit to do the honors. Yeah, thank you, Punit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Archana, Punit. So, thank you, everybody. I hope it was an interesting evening. We wanted to show you some of the cool things we've been doing, and we've hopefully done that. And you will all get to try out the apps in the Experience Zone. Of course, now the apps are available for download as well on the store, so they are live. So you can actually start downloading the app itself into your own devices, as and when you like. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for making this evening special for us. Thank you very much to all the stars, everybody, all our colleagues from the media. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.